Welcome back to our channel, Shannon the Fam. Today we're going to make a centerpiece using Dollar Tree items. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so Mom's step is going to show you exactly what to do to make the centerpiece. Alright, so we're going to use the hot glue gun to attach the foam to the silver platter. Going back in using the glue gun around the edges to make sure that it's secure. From here, I'm going to let it sit for about 30 seconds just to make sure that it's dry. From here, I'm going to take the lavender roses and put them across the bottom bowl of the foam. From here, I'm going to take the lavender roses and put them across the top of the foam, as you see here. I have ran out of roses, which I definitely need to finish this centerpiece. So I'm going to run to Dollar Tree and I'll be back with the final look. All right, this is the final look, you guys. I think it came out wonderful. Let me know how you feel about this centerpiece. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe. Till next time, we are out.